Hello everyone, welcome to Universe's Unique in English vocabulary. Word of the day is guest. Guest. Guest को हिंदी में कहते हैं अतिथि. A person who is invited to a place or to a special event. विशेष स्थान या अवसर पर आमंत्रित व्यक्ति. अतिथि, मेहमान. A person who is staying in a hotel is also called a guest. So guest को हिंदी में कहते हैं अतिथि, मेहमान. Now, synonyms of guest are visitor, invitee and client. Antonyms of guest are host, owner and opponent. Now, example sentences. First, this hotel has accommodation for 500 guests. Second, our guests should be arriving soon. And third, they only use the dining room when they have guests. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.